Okay, so I have so many things to say, and I'm here authentically. We always wait for things to be right time or the right things, right situation in our life, or life to be right in our life. But nothing will ever be right until you make it right in your life. Like the start is, to have a clear mind and to have a clear mind and clear everything that you have balance in your life. To get to your balance and to have everything flow naturally in your life, you have to have a tidy house. Tidy house brings a clear mind and body, and it makes your body feel good too, and clear mind, and it helps your emotion. Your emotion feel good. You find your balance and you find peace. Then, only then, everything will start flowing. And if you have to take small steps, but don't stay in duality, only go forward. And that's what I know. And here I am. I'm not when I'm doing my crafts or whatever, I don't regret it a lot of times because I'm in my comfort zone, right? When I'm doing my crafts. And so I'm not gonna be shy anymore. I'm gonna show you guys my real me. Um, in all situations. So that will help you guys. So, don't doubt yourself because you're not there or you're not where I am or whatever. Like I know how to manifest and I'm doing it now. I'm here to teach everybody else how to manifest. We have to manifest with a clear mind, clear emotions, and good intentions. And so when we think negative and when we think negative, it starts with thinking negative, and then we don't stop our negative thinking, we don't change our mind about how we think about things, then it just keeps building up, building up, building up. And the only time that you can move forward is when you release that, let it go, those feelings, those thoughts, and it brings you a lot of peace. And then you can start planning your life. And I am at that point now where I want to kind of balance out my readings and my messages that come to me. Um, and in my business that I'm starting, my business that I want to start, and I'm starting craft making jewelry, like my own jewelry, making my line of so. I'll show you the mat that I made, but I'm making a video of it. Yeah. So this is the first mat I made. I'm all about recycling clothes. So this is my first mat I made. So I'm going to make many more, and I made it recycling stuff, all recycling. This here is shopping bags. I made it into the bottom, and then this here is kara strips. When you're thinking or whatever, a good time to do things like that is cut up strips. Just you're cutting up t-shirts. That's all you're doing. And so when you're feeling like that, those are little things you can do at that time. Like, not saying exactly that, but little things that don't require a lot of your mind, right? So that way it helps you to clear your mind and it helps you to meditate and to focus on what you want and write things down. For me, I want to start doing more shorts because that's what my channel needs to grow. So I know that I have to do 2 shorts a day to get to 43 shorts that you have to do in a month. So you have to figure it out how like that, how many do you have to do in a day? You know what I mean? And then when you're ready, when your energy is ready to do that, that's when you do that. And today, I don't do this just what comes pops in my head. I wake up and I brush my teeth, whatever, and then I come and I talk to my angels. That's what I do. I have my angel cards and I talk to my angels every day. And I want to start doing this for, the collective and everybody here, like all signs. Every day give you an angel message to guide you so that then you know kind of what angel you can use that day for help. So today is we have prioritized. So that's what I'm doing. I'm prioritizing what's important in my life to build my home, my family, and all that, and my business. And and this is what brought me to these thoughts, chakra clearing. So it says, Archangel Raziel, I'm helping you to your spiritual sight to fully awaken, so you can clearly see heavenly love, and then clear intentions. So when when we talk negative to ourselves, then that's negative intention. That's not good intention towards somebody if you're thinking negative towards them. So make sure you have positive, good intentions. Be clear about what you desire too. So if you want something, say it. Like, I want this and I cannot have it any other way. Like, it's not that I'm selfish or anything. It's just that's how I have to have it. And, the right people will come into your life, right? The right energies will come into your life. And this is all going to bring you your prosperity and healthy lifestyle. Life review, and you'll have victory. So, ask these angels for help. Ask Archangel Jeremiah, Archangel Raphael, helps you to help a more healthier life with yourself, your body. And life review, what is it that you want to always have in your life, what you want to always bring with you in your life, and the negative things you don't want to, so do a review. What do you want to leave behind? What kind of self-negative talk do you want to leave behind, or people that are just negative and they're not seeing it, right? So, like, things like that. Hopefully, the people that we care about, hopefully eventually they will see it, right? So that's all we can hope for. And Archangel Santa Paul, your prayers have been heard and answered. Have faith. So that is a big one. Have faith. All right. God bless everyone. I hope you like this little message. I had to come on here and say this. So um, I don't have time to do a reading right now, but I will be back. Okay, guys? God bless. Don't forget to subscribe. I will start coming on here every day. I just have to have everything organized, and I'm getting there. So I will make that video on my other channel too, so you guys that follow my other channel as well can kind of follow my journey on there. So God bless everyone.